What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Coraiward. Alright, so in the previous video we have shown you guys the functions and the module, and we've seen the module for math and the module for time. Alright, so what happens when you guys want a module? Say for example, if you guys want to put some sort of function, import some sort of module, and it's not there. So what are you going to do? Say if I put a import any module that I want, say import, I'm gonna URL lib lib2 for example. If I try to import URL lib2, because URL lib2 is there but it's not showing me, so if I come here and it's gonna say URL libs, no module called URL lib2, you guys gonna bump up. When you guys bump up to this error, it means that this module is not inside your Python. So how you guys gonna add the module inside the Python? Because it says it's gonna bump it up to this one, and it says that look, my URL lib is not inside your Python 3. So what you guys gonna do when you bump up to module not found error? All right, so in Python, if you come here, if you guys go there at your Google or something, just put a PIP, and you're gonna come to this page. So if you're gonna put a PIP, and you guys gonna say that's PIP that 22.0.4, that's a version, and this PIP is package installer. So PIP install PIP. So if I want to install that one, I'm going to use PIP install PIP. So if I want to go there, I'm going to put it here in, because I'm using Linux. I'm not using Windows, as you guys going to see, but mine is totally different to Windows, and I'm going to show you guys in Windows as well. So for example, if you are if I come here and if I put a PIP, and you guys going to see that's PIP here. So PIP, it's a PIP, and the size says PIP 2004. So if you look in here, that's my PIP. It's that's a version. And if I put a PIP install, what PIP install package, PIP download package, and install freeze package, output install packages, and list and show and check. You guys config search. You guys gonna say PIP search. You guys can search as PyPy. If you look in here, that's pypy.org packages. So if you want to search, we can search as well. So if I put a PIP search, whatever package do you want, our there's hash, completion, debug, and help. So you guys can put a PIP, say for example help. You guys can put a help, and the help is on the way. That's a help PIP. So if you guys want to search, you guys just put a PIP search. And if you guys want a module, say for example module, you guys can put a module. Because you didn't put a module, argument, what arguments do you guys want? What PIP do you guys want to search? Say for example, if you want to search regex, and you guys are going to see I have a long problem here, exception, because I put something wrong, but doesn't matter. So that's how you guys gonna search for PIP. And because you guys, if you guys using Windows, if I wanna put in my Linux, because you guys, you're gonna know that your Linux is a command line. So I'm gonna put a sudo, I'm gonna apt install PIP. That's it. So if I put a and if you look in here, it says Python 3 PIP is already the newest version, 20.02 is 22, but I have 20.02 Ubuntu because I'm running 1.6. So 0 to upgrade, 0 to newly installed, because in my operating system the PIP is the newest version, so I don't need to install. But if you guys using the window, that's going to be different, because Windows, you guys needs to come here And you look in here, take a look at our documentation, and if you look in here, the installation, when you guys go on the installation, then it show you guys the virtual environment. If you guys want to find out our you guys going to come here and show PIP, get pip.py. That's how you guys going to get pip.py. So as you guys know, the Python is very clever. It detected that I have a Linux, and it says that how you guys gonna do this to upgrade. So if you look in here, how to get a PIP, that's how you guys gonna get a PIP. But we are focusing on Windows, so I'm going to show you guys Windows. When you guys go into terminal, guys, just put this function here. So when you go on terminal, just put a pi, just put a minus, ensure PIP upgrade. That's how you guys gonna upgrade. But before that, you guys need to install. And if you guys look in here, that's how you guys got a PIP in Windows. So if you go in command line, where you guys gonna see C, and you just put a py, get PIP, provided you guys make sure you guys first install the Python, because you guys install the Python. That's why you guys watching this video. All right, so that's how you guys gonna upgrade. But that's how you guys put your install any package inside the PyPy. Say for example, if I want to go and look for artificial intelligence, say Python, I'm gonna put a Python if I need artificial intelligence packages. Okay, so if I go there, if I look at the Python artificial intelligence packages, and if you look in here, I'm gonna for machine learning and artificial intelligence with Python getting started. So there are add libraries. Alright, so now we're gonna come here in this website, which is HackerMoon, some random website. You guys can find out which sort of packages this has. So if you guys look in here, the first one is a TensorFlow, and TensorFlow belongs to Google. Google developed this TensorFlow. Is a package inside the Python. As I said to you guys, Python is huge, and if you guys look into see this Keras inside the Python, constructing neural network and machine learning projects. So if that's a Keras, is Tiano. If you look in here, for science, if you guys look in here, scikit learn. So they're all Python. Say if you've got a Python torch, for example, say it's called a NumPy, for example. All right, so we're going to see if we can install the NumPy. So we're going to go pip install, for example, NumPy. So it says requirement already satisfied, NumPy is already there. So because NumPy is already inside our system, because we do not need to install, and showing me that this is in this place. So it's a local lib Python 3.8 side packages, because this is already satisfied. And if I go here, pandas, I have already pandas. Seaborn Python, I have already this. So that's how you guys see installing all these packages. All right, so now we're gonna go on our this one, and we're gonna see the first one. So we've seen that we want to install the calendar, and we're gonna see that Python get PIP. And now you guys, after when you guys install, you guys check, open your CMD here. Then when you click, you open your CMD, pretend that's your CMD, and where it says C, and that's how it is, C, and that's how you guys are going to type that, where it says C. And once installed, you guys going to put a PIP -v. You guys know the version, what version, because PIP, that's going to tell you the version. And as I said to you guys going to put a PIP help. It's going to show you the help. And when you see upgrade PIP and Python M upgrade PIP. So that's how you guys install upgrade PIP. That's how you guys install upgrade PIP. And if you do this, and you guys gonna see that's it's already upgraded. Say collecting PIP upgrade, and I'm gonna show you here, because in Linux I did accepts as a Python 3. So sometime if you guys doesn't work, you guys make sure you guys put a Python 3. So it says downloading PIP whatever and installing. So I had a PIP version 20 and it's put at 20.04. So if you're gonna come here, it says 22, and if you look in here, it's 2204. That's what I was getting error, because I didn't have the up-to-date 2204, because that's what I'm having up to date Python. So now I can install all my packages. So if I want a PIP install PyTorch, I can install the PyTorch as well, and it's still giving me error for some reason, and I'm gonna investigate why, because I'm at the moment I don't need a PyTorch, because I'm not using machine learning or artificial intelligence, so there is no reason for me to fix that. But you guys can fix it if you guys come here and dig inside here, and if there is some sort of you guys got a problem, you guys can say if I have a problem like this, because I can't install the PyTorch here, and you guys gonna go here and it says Linux cannot install PIP PyTorch. That's how you guys gonna investigate. If you have a Windows you guys needs to put, and you guys can see here that's got a lot of discussions here why we can't install this one. Can't install PyTorch with PIP on Windows. So that's a very good one. And the website is Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is like a Facebook for programmers. Any program you have, any problem you have, you come here at Stack Overflow, and you guys gonna see discuss. And can't install PyTorch because this is 2 years ago, 8 months, modified 4 months ago, and viewed 44,000 times. And that's how there is a solution. Then the programmer is going to come and look, all the Python programmers, all the Google programmers, all the Facebook programmers, Twitter programmers, they're going to come and look, because they are members of this Stack Over, and they give you the solution. So it says that multiple times, and that's the one solution, and they get a vote. Whoever got lots of vote, it means that's very effective, that's working. If you got some also some people, they're gonna come in and just put some sort of thing, but they don't have much here vote, and you're gonna see here some people, they're gonna come here. It says that Conda, which is another software, you guys can install the PyTorch through Conda, but this guy didn't get any vote, because it just doesn't make sense. Because with Conda, you guys don't need to install, because if you install Conda, and this PyTorch already in Conda. All right, so look, this guy, there is a lot of guys here, and this guy this guy got a -3. So when you guys hit -3, it means that's a bull. So you guys don't need a bull here. You guys need to listen to someone and look at here. This guy's got a 22. It means that guy is this is the best answer, and you guys this is the best. So the more you guys gonna see here, that's 25, it means that's the best answer. That's the best answer. So whatever you guys gonna look here, that's a solution, and this solution works for your problem. If you have this problem, say if you have the PIP3 torch, Python torch doesn't work, then you guys gonna do, and is this guy here, whoever's got a problem, then they put the error type as well. Whatever error he's getting, he's put a type as well. So if you guys got an error, just come to Stack Overflow, and you can put your error here. So you can log in and you can put an error, and you guys going to see that all the programmers from around the world, they're going to come and they're going to discuss, and they're going to answer your problem. So this is the Stack Overflow for troubleshooting. So if I go for my artificial intelligence, if my PyTorch, because I don't need anytime soon. So if I need it, then I'm going to troubleshoot, and before that I'm going to come here and have a look how to troubleshoot. And programming, just let you know, programming, part of the programming is how you guys debug, how you guys debug your program, how you guys solve your problem, how you guys find the solution. And Stack Overflow is your best friend, and I'm telling you now, there is no nicey things here, there is nothing here. They're all professional programmers from say big companies, and they come here and they give you some solution to solve the problem, because this problem happened to them too. So if this guy comes in and put some sort of solution, it means I tried multiple solution and it wasn't working on Windows 10 until I tried this, because this problem happened to this guy as well. So if the problem happened to this guy, it means this problem is going to happen to you as well if you are in PyTorch. So if you are in PyTorch, for example, in machine learning, and this PyTorch belongs to Facebook, unfortunately. All right, so this PyTorch belongs to them and it's open source, and people seems to have a lot of problem with this PyTorch for some reason. As you guys gonna know that people have a problem with Facebook as well. All right, so that's how you guys troubleshoot with PIP, and that's what PIP is. So if you go there, that's how you guys gonna get. All right, that's how you guys troubleshoot your PIP, and that's how you guys find the solution. All right, that's it for this video. If you got any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.